rock solid. Then I need the equipment on top here. I'm not sure if I remember all the details. Let me see, was it something like this? Can you see what it is? I just need to remember how all of this works. This is the glider. I think I put this on the wrong way, didn't I? I think, is everything upside down? So, what if I do like this? Yeah, this is the seam on the pipe. I should have that on the inside so it's not visible. I have measured the bend to start approximately there. Tie down this so it doesn't move. And then this goes here. And then I need to block it so it's not moving. There. Easy peasy, easy peasy. I think this is the way it goes. Maybe I could put on some oil here so it's a bit slippery. Should make it easier because this is now gonna glide alongside here. Only one way to figure out if this is right, it's to try it. Tiny bit silicone grease. So this is gonna be a motorcycle seat hoop. It's not for me. And back to the title of the video, it's for Ryan, of course. One of my favorite YouTube channels to look at is Ryan's Garage. He's building a Scrambler, Honda CB250, I think. It's the same similar bike as I'm building as a cafe racer. And I think Ryan is struggling at least as much as I am, perhaps even more. So it's very fun for me to watch his videos because yeah, it's very familiar to me. Yeah, we are the strugglers. So let's see if we can bend this for him. Maybe not. Have I done anything wrong here now? This is there, this is it. I remember it was hard, but was it really that hard? Oh, come on! Okay. Oh, that was not good. Oh, shit, something. Metal particle was stuck here. Not really sure what went wrong there, but I think I'll coat it with a bit heavier oil, thicker oil, so it's a bit more slippery. Let's see if this goes better now. Oh yeah. This is how it should be. This is supposed to happen when come to this point, I need to move the stopper to this location, like this. And Ryan wanted it to be a bit more collapsed than this will be a 180-degree curve. Try to get it as much as I can. So, but what I will be doing now is to go back and take... I can feel like I'm losing my breath here. Now I will be moving the the glider to the inner position to get a tighter bend. A second pass over. Of course, stupid me, I need to move this again. Shouldn't really believe that I have built this. I don't even remember how to use it. Yeah, this makes sense. Now I can get it a bit further. Then you have this backlash back spring. So when I'm releasing it, it's always going back a bit. Yeah, I don't think I'll do anything more than this. Ah, look at this. Nicey, nicey, nicey. I was a bit unlucky there at the start with this welding debris or something stuck to the metal here. Made some scratches, and also I pushed so hard, so the first bend here is actually a bit hard. Stupid of me not to pay better attention there. So now you can see it has... this is how it ended. I can probably press it. Yeah, I can put it in the vise and push it. But then it's just putting this in the mail. Send it to Ryan, and you'll have good luck trying to attach it. Hope you can sand down the damages there, Ryan. If this is not up to your standard, let me know and I can try and make another one. These pipes are darn cheap here in Norway. They cost close to nothing. From my favorite grocery store, not grocery store, but my favorite hardware store, Biltema. Sell this. You can see one of the pipes here, a bit longer than the other. Hopefully it's long enough for you. So, hope this was a fun little video from me here in Norway. Next video we'll be back to working on my Kagiva.